Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Zealous Tutorials. So today I'll be going through a song called Free Indeed by Planetshakers. So there's quite a lot going on in this song, but essentially there's just 3 parts to it. If you learn those 3 parts, you should be fine. Yeah, so here we go. Okay, so the first part. Right, here you have it. So the first part, we start with the F sharp minor 7 chord. Go to an A major chord, to a D major chord, to E major, and we repeat. The second part is the same chord progression, but we're playing in a syncopated style. So it goes like. Okay, so I'm going to play this slowly. Okay, so which brings us to the very last part. Okay, so this is played by a saw wave sort of sound, which goes like. Okay, so I'm gonna play that slower. Okay, I'm gonna play it again. Okay, so the song keeps looping those 3 parts, and obviously they keep building. They play these bass sounds, play guitar sounds, and the song just keeps building and building. But essentially, those are the 3 core parts to the song. So if you found this very helpful, please comment in this comment section, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next episode of Zealous Tutorials. Thanks for watching.